Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to talk about GFCI receptacles. Never seen a GFCI receptacle like this before. It's an old Eagle, and it installs like this. This thing is wired differently than a regular outlet. As you can see, you got your hot. See, this is strange. I've never seen one of these before. You got black, white, white, black. On a regular outlet, you've got black, white, black, white. And this one here, you got white, or black, white, white, black. I don't understand that. That's strange. If anybody knows why this is, please comment. That would be good. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.